Tonight, $500 million investment from the Land Bank. Prime Minister opens embassy in Brazil and New Caledonia delegation visits Fiji for land study. Good evening, you're watching Fiji Today. A development list was today given to a Chinese company, Gold Century Group Company Fiji, that plans to invest more than $500 million in building Fiji's largest hardware store. The list is issued under the Land Bank unit of the Ministry of Lands and Mineral Resources.
Solicitor General Christopher Pride says the list signing that precipitates the $500 million investment will significantly boost the Fijian economy.
Apart from employment opportunities, there will be even more opportunities for local and foreign businesses to open up shop at Raiwai once the development is complete.
Gold Century Group Company Fiji Limited is one of the Chinese companies that accepted the Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama's invitation to invest in Fiji. Company directors met the Prime Minister on an investment scouting mission in China earlier this year. They plan to invest about $500 million building commercial and real estate projects, along with building the hardware company. About 17 acres of swampy mangrove area on the Raiwai foreshore would be transformed into a modern retail center with professional office space and upmarket residential flats.
We are planning to build here one of the largest hardware stores in Suba, and they are also looking at developing other commercial interests. So the signing today allows them the development process to happen within this coming 5 years.
Fiji's first diplomatic mission in South America is now open. Prime Minister Commodore Voreqe Bainimarama opened the Fiji embassy at Brasilia, the capital of Brazil, this morning. He said Fiji will continue to expand on international relations to increase opportunities of trade and development for the benefit of all Fijians.
The new embassy in Brasilia is the third to be opened this year, becomes Fiji's 14th diplomatic mission overseas. Fiji is now expanding its reach into previously uncharted areas of international relations and link up with economic giants like Brazil. Earlier this year, Commodore Bainimarama opened the embassy in Jakarta, Indonesia and South Africa. Establishment of these missions fall in line with Pillar 1 of the People's Charter of enhancing global integration and international relations. While opening the mission, Commodore Bainimarama said to develop further, Fiji must engage with the wider international community instead of just focusing on countries nearby. The Prime Minister says greater international cooperation and engagement will propel the country's economic growth and diversification. Additionally, in partnerships with these larger countries, Fiji can address issues of climate change and peacekeeping.
New Caledonia plans to style its indigenous land systems on those that exist in Fiji. A Kanak delegation is in the country consulting with various land agencies to study economic developments happening on these native lands. The delegation includes officials from the Economical and Social Council of New Caledonia and the Traditional and Customary Senate. Council President Yves Tissendier says native land ownership systems in New Caledonia needs to be modernized for economic growth. After the break, senior citizens celebrate International Day.